Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my pineapple cream pie. So let's get started. So I have one package of the pineapple jello. It's a 3-ounce package. You'll place the jello in your bowl along with 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of ice, and then I'll mix it around, and all the ice that didn't dissolve I'll remove. So I added enough ice cubes to make 1 cup. I'll put that in. Whatever don't dissolve, I'll remove. That looks good. Now we'll take out these ice cubes. All the ice cubes have been removed. So now I will place my crushed pineapples in, and it's 1 cup, and I took the juice out. I have 1 container of Cool Whip, and it's 16 ounces. I'm going to be using half. I'll see where half gets me. If I need more, I'll place more in, but right now I'm going to be using half. So I placed half of the container of Cool Whip inside. I'll mix this around. You want to make sure it's really mixed good. The other half of the Cool Whip is when I'll put it on top, so that's why I'm calling it my pineapple cream pie. So this is mixed really good. I have a 10-inch ready-made Graham Cracker Crust pie shell. I'll place this mixture into the Graham Cracker Crust. You can see the crushed pineapple in here. Alright, so now I'll put it in my crust. Once it's in the pie crust, you want to spread it around evenly. I'll place this in my fridge to firm up for a couple hours or overnight. So into the fridge it goes. It's been about 3 hours that I had this in the fridge. It firmed up beautifully. So now I'll slice into it and give it a try. It's optional if you want to put whipped cream on top. That's why I call it my pineapple cream pie. So now I'll give it a try. This is really good. Very refreshing. I didn't put any Cool Whip on top. I just wanted to taste it without the Cool Whip. I highly recommend making this if you're in a hurry and you need a dessert real quick. This is really good. Quick and easy. Look at how good that firmed up. This pie is really delicious. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my pineapple cream pie. It's simple and easy. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.